The Badsey Bullet emerged in the early 1980s as one of the most unusual performance vehicles ever built. Its creator, John William Bill Badsey, a Californian engineer with extensive experience in scooter design, believed the future of lightweight sports cars required removing everything unnecessary, starting with the fourth wheel. This idea led to a radical three-wheeled sports car aimed at merging motorcycle dynamics with automotive stability. The Bullet featured a fiberglass body shaped like a futuristic speedster and built around an extremely narrow cockpit layout. The car had two completely separate seating pods for the driver and the passenger. They were split by the engine itself, which sat transversely in the center of the chassis. This layout improved weight distribution but made in-car communication nearly impossible, giving the Bullet a distinctive, almost aircraft-like feel. Power initially came from a Suzuki GS100 GLZ motorcycle engine, producing over 100 horsepower. Later cars were equipped with a 1,200 cubic centimeters Yamaha Venture water-cooled V4, mounted centrally with a shaft drive, transferring power to the single rear wheel. Despite the unconventional drivetrain, performance figures were remarkable. The Bullet accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds and reached a top speed of about 150 miles per hour, 241 kilometers per hour, placing it in the realm of contemporary supercars. One of the most unusual features was the 20-speed forward gearbox and 5 reverse gears. This system appeared on the earliest prototypes and remains only partially documented, but it became one of the model's enduring legends. Another claimed innovation was Badsey's patented rear-wheel construction, said to produce a stabilizing gyroscopic effect at speed. Whether this effect was measurable remains disputed, but it contributed to the mystique surrounding the machine. The Bullet was produced in extremely limited numbers. Between 1981 and 1988, only 8 units were built and sold in the United States and South Africa. 7 used the Yamaha engine, and 1 retained the earlier Suzuki power plant. Priced at $16,000 in 1982, the car was too expensive and too unconventional for mainstream buyers, but it quickly became a collectible curiosity among enthusiasts of experimental automotive engineering. Today, all known examples survive in private collections. The Badsey Bullet remains a striking reminder of a period when independent engineers pushed boundaries without corporate constraints. It stands as one of the boldest attempts to blend motorcycle performance, minimalism, and automotive design into a single extreme three-wheeled machine.